Good morning, friends. Welcome to our grammar lesson. First, I want to review the parts of speech that you already know. Here we have the black pyramid, which represents our noun. Remember, nouns represent people, places, and things. Next, you learned about the adjective. The adjective is shaped very much like the noun because it modifies the noun. It tells us more about the noun. The next part of speech that you worked on is the article. Article is a very special adjective, but there are only 3 words that are articles: an, a, the. The next part of speech that you worked on would have been your verb. Verbs show action. They tell us what the subject is doing. The next part of speech was the adverb. Again, it modifies the verb. It adds to the verb. Tells us a little bit about how the verb is acting. The next part of speech that we worked on was our preposition. Remember, prepositions tell us where things are in relationship to others. So for example, the grammar symbol is on the table. The grammar symbol is beside the table. Beside the table. The grammar symbol is under the table. The last part of speech that you've worked on thus far is our pronoun. Remember, the pronoun is kind of a bully. The pronoun comes along and kicks the noun out and takes its place. We used some examples. Mom is cooking breakfast. The pronoun comes along, kicks out mom, and she is cooking breakfast. That's as far as we've come so far. So today, friends, we're going to learn about a new part of speech. Today, we're learning about the conjunction. And the word conjunction comes from the Latin word congere, or to join together. And that's exactly what this part of speech does. So we're going to start with some flowers. Here we have the orange flower. Next, we have the blue flower. And here we have the yellow flower. Well, what the conjunction does, well, first of all, let's go ahead and place our grammar symbols. So let's look for all the nouns. Well, flower is a noun. Hopefully you can see that black symbol. So we'll place the noun symbol above all the words that say flower. Now the colors, those are adjectives. So yellow is an adjective. Blue is an adjective, and orange is an adjective. The word the is an article, and we have 3 articles in this group of phrases. Now, what happens with the conjunction? Remember, congere means to put together. So we're going to tie our group of flowers together with this pink ribbon. So now, friends, we have the 3 phrases tied together. So we need to use a word to show that. And we're going to use the word and. And. So now our phrase says the yellow flower and the blue flower and the orange flower. We have tied them together, and that is exactly what a conjunction does. It ties them together. And we're going to use this symbol to represent, I'll show you a little bit larger one, to represent the conjunction because the conjunction is tying our phrases together. So we have two conjunctions. So please, when you write your sentences, be sure to write the sentence first and then add the grammar symbols. So we have, this is called a coordinating conjunction. I have another coordinating conjunction to share with you. So I will take away the and. This particular one is or. And or indicates that we are going to choose. We have a choice. We have a bunch of flowers and we can choose the yellow flower or the blue flower or the orange flower. Friends, those are two of the coordinating conjunctions. There's more to come.